Shouldn't the highest court in the land set an ethical example to the rest of us? You might think so. But today's U.S. Supreme Court is now controlled by political extremists of the worst possible kind. Instead of embodying honesty and respect for the law, these 6 conservative justices have become poster children for perjury, bribery, and corruption. As Jameson Foser tells the How Are You Feeling About Democracy podcast, we have a Supreme Court that is controlled by a 6-3 right-wing supermajority. The court's been controlled for more than 50 consecutive years by the Republican Party, at a time when the Democratic Party has won the popular vote in 7 of the last 8 presidential elections. Worst of all, says Foser, absent a reform that intentionally rebalances the court will remain in Republican hands for 40 more years. If you think you're in a bad dream now, that scenario is a total nightmare. Overturning Roe v. Wade is just Act 1 in their Handmaid's Tale vision for America, so please do what you can to make sure your family and friends are aware that today's Supreme Court is not just corrupt, unethical, and extreme, it's also a threat to American freedoms for decades to come. We're not talking about a blip in inflation, we're talking about a generational challenge. If we want a president and Congress to stand up to these extremist, or as some might say, Christo-fascist judges, electing Democrats is our only defense. Thanks for watching. Check the description for a link to the full How Are You Feeling About Democracy podcast, and please hit subscribe to support this channel.